You did cold outreach, you did warm outreach, you did paid ads, you created content, but you are still feeling stuck. Now it's time to multiply our moves and put the core 4 on steroids. In our previous video, we talked about how to actually get more done with paid ads, but in today's video, we are going to talk about how to put core 4 on steroids. I still remember when I was doing the cold outreach, the warm outreach, creating content and running ads, everything was going fine. I thought I am getting exhausted, but then I found something new, that you can still do more, do better, and do it somewhere new. This is more, better, new framework. Here is every business owner goes wrong. They think that they have reached their limit when they get exhausted, but they have barely scratched the surface. So there is always to do more. So let's talk about the more framework. The thing that was working for me at that time, that was cold outreach and cold DMs. So I just double down on the volume, and I was getting better results already. So double down on what you are doing right now, and you will get more engaged leads compared to before. The rule of 100 says do 100 primary tasks every single day for 100 days each. No improvement, only volume. Even with no improvements and only pure volume, you can still get more engaged leads compared to before. But here is where everyone goes wrong. They think they need new strategies, but all they need is more reps, because more reps create momentum, and a momentum can never replace a new strategy. So once you are done with the more, you need to go with the better. I was going through everything what I was running. My ad was good, but the hook was wrong. My content was good, but the headline was too soft. So I just tweaked the simple things. A small constraint changes can make a huge impact. So make sure you change every single thing that is working for you, because with tweaks and improvements you can get higher returns while doing the same action. A small hole can sink the whole ship. So personalize your DMs, create a strong hook, have a great call to action, can literally change your business, because everything compounds in the end. Once you are done with the more and better, it's now time to go with new. After doing the more and better, I started to explore new platforms, that is LinkedIn and Twitter. I started to look for new placements, YouTube shorts, Instagram stories. I started to explore new activities, cold calling, referrals. There are tons of things you can do, and this is why most of the people have their small business and it never grows. They think they have scratched the whole surface, or you can say they have discovered the whole market, but they have barely seen a piece of a pie they have with their vision. They think is a whole pie. So they think the whole pie of a market is just what they are exploring, but there is a beyond level of a huge market of what you are seeing currently. So make sure you implement the more, better, and now framework. Once you implement this, nothing can stop you, and you will become succeed in your business. So here is the formula. If you have more time than money, then go all in on your cold outreach. But if you have more money, then go all in on your paid ads, because every core 4 elements boost other core 4 elements at somehow. So it's better to do all 4 together, or at least 2 at the same time. So now that you know how to put core 4 on steroids, now it's time to know about how to actually get more leads from strangers and other sources of leads. So in the next video, we are going to talk about how to get the lead getters. So you don't want to miss out on this. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.